Jameson, what's that over there? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Jameson, where are we right now, dude? Where are we, bud?
Oh, there we go.
Are we at Home Depot? Are we at Home Depot? Whoa, where'd he go?
We go.
We at Home Depot.
Oh, yeah.
He's over here. He's over in the next aisle. There he is. Watch him, look. Look. There he is. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Is he?
Where'd he go?
Is that one?
There he comes. There he is. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Whoa, look, he's lifting it up. Look how high he put it. Look how high he put it. Wow. Stay here, buddy. Can't go too much farther than that, okay? Look. Look how high he put it. Wow. Pretty cool, huh, bud? He's all done now, dude. He's all done now. What's that? Oh yeah, dude, he loves them. Every time we see a truck or a bus or a forklift or a tractor or a... He also likes watching himself on video too, so... I put all his videos on YouTube and then he just clicks through them and watches everything. This one will be next.
He goes nuts.
Hey, you're supposed to be this side of it, right? That's why it's here. Come on, this side.
There you go, buddy. See, they're all done.
See, they're all done now, dude. They gotta shut the door. They gotta shut the door, bud. Say bye to the forklift. Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, beep, beep.
Bye, beep, beep.
Bye, beep, beep.
All done. All done.
I think you're supposed to leave that there, dude.
The men are supposed to do that.
I think you're supposed to leave that where it is.
To leave it the way the men left it.
I think you're supposed to leave that where it is, dude. Come on, let's go look at the tools, dude. Dad has got to find some tools. Want to go see him? Jameson, you want to see him?
Here, gotta put it back. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. It's gonna squeeze them all the way back. Good boy.
What's that? Is that a gate? Is that a gate? Watch, you got to open it like this. Oh. All right, let's close it. Good job, dude.
Just like the men left it.
All right, that's enough, dude. Let's go look at the tools, bud. Dad's got to find some tools. Come on, follow Grandma. Another one?
That's a heavy one.
Another one?
That's a heavy one.
Wow. Jameson, hey, let's go look at the tools, dude. Come on. Jameson, what's that? Jameson, what's that? Wood. Wood.
Watch for people crossing.
Jameson, what is that? What's that big machine right there? What's that big machine? Oh, that's a little mini ladder for Jameson. It's a little mini ladder for Jameson. That's a little mini ladder for Jameson. Ah. Oh, you're lucky the ladder's not that tall, dude. You're lucky the ladder's not that tall.
Leave it here, honey.
Here, let's put it back in here where it belongs. See?
He's using it.
Look.
That's where it goes.
All done. You're okay.
So fun. But acting.
It's an accident.
Accident. Yeah. Just an accident.
Still be careful, though. Don't run into people. These are people that got their cars, honey.
Jameson, this way. This way. Jameson, this way. Come on. Look at all these tools, dude. Wow. Wow. Jameson, what's that? A drill? Is that a drill? Ooh, saw. Oh. Jameson, look at all these tools, dude. Look at all these tools.
What does that do? He's pulling.
It's just the security thing. Ha. What? What? You can't do that, dude. Hey. Hey. What are you doing that for? What are you doing that for? Better not mess that up, dude. Better not. No! That's enough. That's enough. Hey, knock it off. Hey, Dad's got to look over here. Whoa, look at these big saws, dude. Look at these big saws. Jameson, look. Jameson. Hey. Hey. What's that? What's that?
Super.
What's that? Is that a tow hitch? Is that a tow hitch? Hey, 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 put that back. Put that back. Look out, he's coming through. Hey, good, how are you?
Yeah.
Jameson, watch for the big car.
J-Mo, this way. Yeah, this way. Come on, Dada's got to look over here. Dada's got to look over here.
We're gonna go see what kind of tool Daddy needs to buy. Oh, sorry. What you gonna buy, Dada? No, watch this might fall.
Wow. Cheese. That.
Hopefully buy one of these router bits, huh, J-Mo? What's that?
That.
Can't let it fall, it'll break. Gotta let it stay up here.
That.
It says DeWalt. That's the name of it.
That.
That's a biscuit joiner.
Biscuit?
Biscuit joiner.
That's a funny name. Let it fall, honey. I don't know.
All right, Dad has